It's early in the morning. The markets, they're about to open right behind me here at the New York Stock Exchange with Sherwin-Williams ringing the opening bell. And it's also time for your Modern Wall Street AM Anticipation Report. Now, stock index futures pointing to a higher open this Tuesday morning following European stocks higher as sentiment is lifted by corporate earnings. Now, Wall Street also keeping an eye on oil prices, which are mostly higher in volatile trade. Now, investors today began taking in a rally overseas in Japanese stocks as the yen fell lower overnight. This comes after Japan's finance minister repeated that the country would intervene in the currency market if the rise in the yen continued and begins to hurt the national economy. Meanwhile, here in the United States, data due for release includes wholesale trade and jobs openings and labor turnover summary, better known as JOLTS, both due out at 10 o'clock this morning, and the National Federation of Independent Business Small Business Optimism Index, rising for the first time this year, up 1 point from a two-year low in March to 93.6 in April. And after the bell today, Disney reporting earnings, while Credit Suisse already swinging to a net loss in the first quarter, although those numbers did beat expectations, while Solar City reporting a wider than expected loss and cutting its forecast for solar panel installations after yesterday's close, the stock falling nearly 20% in after-hours trade. And lastly, Bill Ackman's Pershing Square said it was seeking to sell $800 million in shares of Zoetis, this reported by the New York Times.